mahigit 70 na po ang na-file sa House of Representatives. Tapos doon naman sa Senado, may I believe 8 senators na po ang nag-file for Magna Carta for barangay officials, which goes to show na even mga mambabatas natin nakikita po yung pangangailangan para sa Magna Carta. But again, ilang dekada na po itong isusulong pero hindi po nagpo-progress itong mga bills na ito precisely because it all boils down to budget. Because you're talking about 42,011 barangays times 10 barangay officials. Sama mo pa yung mga appointed dyan na mga workers natin sa barangay, magkano na po yan? So kung sasaluhin po yan at sa-subsidize ng national government, it's really a lot of money. So kaya po hindi rin po umuusad. Hanggang committee hearing po umaabot lang. Even in the past, hanggang committee hearing lang po siya umaabot. So now, our aim sa Liga is hindi lang po sana to create awareness about the need for the Magna Carta, but hindi lang po para gumawa tayo ng ingay tungkol dito at malaman po ng iba at makatanggap ng awa mula sa mga tao, kawawa. Hindi po yun ang goal natin. Ang goal po natin is to be able to pass this law and to be able to pass a law that's going to be feasible for also the national government and the LGUs. Hindi naman yung far-fetched na para bang suntok sa buwan na mabuburden din natin ang national government because at the end of the day, we also have to consider marami tayong mga iba pang pressing matters in our country, hindi lang naman sa barangay. So it has to be a shared, we have to parang give and take ba? And we have to make it as feasible as possible. Yun po, sir.
Okay, at